Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video here in Pakistan. It's actually one of the last videos, and today's video guys, we're actually cruising up to the Islamabad airport right now because me and the British lad,
good morning, are
gonna be flying back to Karachi just for one last night. Domestic, yep. Then we are going to spend like our last 24 hours over there. Not entirely certain what we'll get into today, probably be a little more low-key, but we'll take you with for the journey. We never know what's gonna happen in our days, and there's always crazy stuff that does. So let's do it. Shukriya, my friend. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz,
Shukriya.
boss.
We just got dropped off here. Salam alaikum. Got the boys cruising around here this morning. It's a little brisk and chilly here. It's gonna be nice and warm in Karachi. Salam alaikum. You guys just made it through security. Now it's time to get a little something. The boys over here got some good stuff over here. Thinking that cupcake's got my name on it. Oreo cupcake? All right, I'm sold. Can I please have one Oreo cupcake and then a extra cappuccino regular, please? I think that'll do me well. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Shukriya, my friend. Shukriya.
Hello sir, I have a coffee for you.
Oh, there we go. That's gonna be G-triple-O-D. Oh, you went black coffee today?
Yeah, bro.
Sendero, bro. Cutting the kales.
I started working here, by the way, so I'm staying in Islamabad, guys. I'm just coming to say farewell to Mac. I've got a new job at Coffee Planet, so come and see me, guys.
Oh, he knows how to make it bank. All right, and here we go. Let's try out this Oreo cookie. Very nice. Sweet and delicious. Exactly what I shouldn't have in the morning, but I'm going to because it's delicious. All right, and there's ours. Pakistan Airlines, that's us. C6 now check-in. Harry thinks check-in means boarding.
I don't know.
First time flyer. I'll tell you that.
If I'm right.
Or if you're right, then I pay for the hotel room tonight. You guys heard that. Up to you. And you mean by right, it means like, are we boarding the plane?
Check-in, I'm saying check-in means we're boarding the plane, yeah.
All right.
You're just laughing at me.
All right, we're looking for this plane that Harry thought people are boarding.
They're boarding, guys. They're boarding the invisible plane.
Yeah, so now you guys know what check-in means.
Looks like I'm buying the hotel tonight, guys.
All right, heading down to the plane here. And we are boarding the plane, guys. Taking the local airline over here. We paid about $84, I think it was. $84 for the flight to go from Islamabad to Karachi. We booked it about 6 days in advance. Assalamu alaikum. No, we weren't about to take off there for a second.
Are you asleep?
Yeah. I was like, what is going on? I just woke up, I was like, whoa. Engine was making a little bit of noise there, but here we are en route. Alright guys, we just had a nap. You can actually, I'm changing my name to Harry because I've been sleeping all the time like him. We got some chow here. It looks like we've got a sandwich there, some sort of like nut cake, dessert type thing. And then we've got beverages coming. So we've got maybe hour and a half on the flight. Pretty quick then. Got a nice little, what looks to be kind of like a cornbread. It's kind of like a muffin. Got nuts mixed into it. That's pretty nice. Guys, we have made it to Karachi. I must say, it is much warmer here than it is up north. Plus, to get over to the spot. All right, we have made it back to Karachi. Now time to find where the Ramada bus is. Much busier than the last time we flew into this place. When we flew into here when was that? Almost a month ago, guys. It's the middle of the night, so like now it's like crazy busy comparatively. And let's see, we got a McDonald's over there. Oh yeah. So guys, right when you walk out, just keep in mind here, there's multiple different taxi stations you can go to. Usually the people that walk up to are gonna charge you like double, maybe triple. So we're going 10 minutes away to the Ramada Hotel, and the first place charged us to $1,100, the second place was $1,000, and the guy that walked up to Harry was $2,000. So obviously you're gonna get quite a fluctuation in price just to go a few minutes away. But obviously it's nice to be back in Karachi. The weather is fantastic, and we're pulling up to the Ramada where we haven't booked the spot yet, but we are going to kind of show up and see what type of rates we can get pulling up to this place. It's about 10 minutes from the airport, so it's called an airport hotel. I was thinking it was maybe right at the airport, but it's actually a short drive away. The taxi itself costs about $1,000 to get over here, so I think from what it sounds like there's a fixed minimum fee for airport transfers, and so comment below if that's true or not. I really don't remember it being as much when we left the other day, but it's possible. So guys, we just checked into the hotel after a little bit of a process. We arrived here and we came without the booking, so that's definitely on us, but we wanted to, you know, see if we could get a good rate, and I think we got a pretty good rate, and they said wait 20 to 30 minutes and they would come talk to us. Ended up waiting about 2 to 3 hours, and then we were like, hey, what's going on? And they got us a room, luckily. It's really busy, so I don't blame them, you know. I could see why, maybe that's why there's a few negative reviews on the website, because no one even followed up with us. But you know, not a big deal. Like, all the staff's been super, super helpful. Brought our stuff up here, and now this is the room, you know. No time off for Harry. Immediately, he's already grinding. Yeah, and over here we got like a little couch here, 2 beds. Pretty decent room. For, I want to say it was $123 without taxes, and then with taxes a little bit more than that. And inside here, quite a nice bathroom. Layout's good, nice toilet, multiple types of body lotions, bath gels, all types of stuff. So yeah, good hotel. And there's actually quite a few amenities here. There's a gym, pool, a couple restaurants, even a market. So we'll maybe go take a cruise down there, get a little workout in, show you guys this place, because there's a few more videos on the channel right now about hotels, because we're moving place to place quite quickly. I'm gonna do a little speed test, see what we've got going on in here. All right, and the final numbers up here, 15.3 download megabits per second and 3.68 upload megabits per second. Now, when I did the speed test on my phone downstairs, it was like 40 megabits per second download, and then about 15 megabits uploads. So if you go downstairs, you'll be able to get faster Wi-Fi here. At least you have the option. So in the room, honestly, it's like quite fast for most people. I like it a little bit faster, more like minimum speed of what it is down in the lobby, just because obviously I'm uploading a lot of videos like this. But like for your average user, that's fast enough to do pretty much anything you need to do. So guys, we're gonna try a little something here at the Ramada for food. Just fast forward after the room tour. Came down here in the lobby where the internet's fastest, and got a nice iced tea. And then we're having the I think the meal of the day here, which is Fettuccine Alfredo. So figure we're gonna try something simple since this is the last video, guys, here in Pakistan. I'm quite sad about it. All right, guys, we got the Fettuccine Alfredo, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a test here. Don't mind those olives and mushrooms. I'm personally not a fan. I didn't realize it came with it. And let's try it out here. Oh, we got a hair there. It's not good. It's all right though. It happens. I'm still eating it. All right, let's try it out. Quite flavorful. I'd say the Alfredo has a bit saltier of a taste than I've had on previous Alfredos, but not in a bad way, in a good way. You can taste a fair amount of pepper in there, and they've got a lot of Alfredo sauce. As you can see, it's basically swimming in here. Quite good, I'd say. You know, especially having, you know, Italian food here at a Ramada hotel in Pakistan. Very good Italian food overall, I'd say, so quite good. I'm gonna make the perfect bite here. I'm getting a couple pieces of chicken in there, and the noodles, and a hefty amount of Alfredo sauce. Let's go for it here. It is delish, guys. Exactly what I needed. We actually haven't had breakfast. Did we have breakfast?
No.
No, we didn't have. Oh, this is our first meal, and it's 5 p.m. That's why anything can taste good at the moment. It's very good though. All right, guys, total for the meal here, $2,200, which is about $14, if I'm doing my conversion correctly, for us to have 2 Alfredos. What'd you think, bro?
That's really good value for money, actually, yeah.
Yeah, quite delicious. Shukriya, my friends. And what's your good names?
Sakib.
Sakib?
My name is Asan.
Asan. Very nice to meet you guys. From Karachi?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very nice place. Etable? Is that near here? Very nice. Well, it's good to meet you guys. Shukriya. So guys, we're walking over to the gym right now. We are just a few steps away. You gotta walk outside of the hotel and then walk over here. And I think we find the gym somewhere around here, so we'll see. All right, I'm guessing the Imperial Club is where the gym is. Poolside barbecue. All right. It's got a nice little setup over here. Imperial Club. I don't know. But look at this walkway out here. I don't know if this is where we need to go. Let's see here. There's probably the pool out here. And right over here, guys, we located the gym. There we go.
That's it, guys. No days off.
No days off, baby.
The fresh trim.
All right, guys, that is the gym for you. And as you can see out here, we've got the whole pool area. We'll have to see how warm the pool is here, actually. Let's test it out and see how Oh, yeah, that's nice and warm. And then we got the hot tub over here. Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
Good, and you? From the US. And you?
Pakistani.
Pakistan, Karachi?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great city.
From Pakistan International Airlines.
Yeah. Oh, you work for Pakistan International. We flew them here from Islamabad today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good airline.
Yeah, I saw you on the.
Oh, you did, yeah? Yeah, nice. Which video did you see?
Well, on the internet, I think you and your brother, I think.
Me and Harry. Yeah. Cool. Nice to meet you. And what was your good name?
Hassan.
Hassan.
Yeah.
Mac. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
And it's warm in here right now?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. I might have to test it out. Oh, all right. Yeah. I think that, guys, I think it's time to make a little jacuzzi run. I got to go grab my swimsuit.
Oh, yeah.
And Hassan, yeah?
Yeah, Hassan.
Hassan, I will maybe see you later tonight.
Oh, okay.
Nice to meet you, good man.
Yeah, I'm going to at the airport for my own duty.
Ah, okay. So I won't see you then. Well, great to meet you. Thanks for saying hello. Goodbye, my friend. All right, here we go. Assalamu alaikum. Good, and you?
Assalam, I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, very good. And what's your good name?
Arbaz Khan.
Arbaz Khan. It's a pleasure
Yeah.
to meet you.
Yes, sir.
It's a nice establishment here. Very nice. What time is the restaurant here open until?
Sir, 7:30, sir.
7:30. All right. So I might. What time is it now? Like 6?
11:30. Last.
Oh, 11:30.
Yes.
Oh, so plenty of time then. So I can go in the hot tub and then get food after?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Shukriya.
Thank you,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz, my
Allah
friend.
Hafiz, sir.
Thank you. Got some fresh fish going on over here. Gonna get the swimsuit on, and then after that, we might have to try out a little barbecue over here. That's it. It's a pretty nice open area. Lots of space for activities out here. Good gym. Was able to get a solid workout, and very happy with that overall. As you can see, we're cruising back this way, and we've got quite an inviting area. This is probably one of my favorite Ramadas I've stayed at, just because there's so many amenities and things to do around here, and that's what makes a good hotel stay, especially guys if you don't want to like leave the hotel. And since I'm only here for less than 24 hours, I was like, I want to be close to the airport, you know, never know, get stuck in traffic or something silly happens that holds me up. All right, one last final swim here in Pakistan for the last night. Here we go. Oh, it's heated in here, so it's a nice spot to relax. Alright guys, time to test out the hot tub after going for a nice little swim. If the pool is already that warm, I bet this hot tub is going to be, oh yeah, very hot. That is nice. Very tige. Ooh. My name's Mac, and you? Akram? That's a good name. It's a pleasure to meet you. Oh yeah guys, this is nice, especially after in the evenings here. It gets a little bit chilly, so you take a step out of the warm pool, cool down a bit, and then you hop in the hot tub, and let me tell you, this is feeling quite good. How was that pool dip, bro?
Good.
Yeah, it's a really nice atmosphere they have out here. With the pool, the hot tub, as you guys have already seen, you can see the flames cooking from here. You can smell the delicious food. We got fish, we've got chicken, we've got a few other types of meat from what I can smell. I haven't actually looked at the menu yet. You can even get a beer there if you want, or vodka, so it's up to you if you're interested in that, but that's an option here at the Ramada Hotel. All right, guys, as we're coming to the end of this trip to Pakistan after an entire month, you know, we figured we would have a beer here at the Ramada Hotel in Karachi. It's right near the airport, so we have an easy flight out tomorrow, and I got to propose a toast. 60 videos in Pakistan and what, 50 plus right over here. So a very successful trip here. Cheers, and on to the next one. Pakistan Zindabad. Very tasty.
You can tell it's Murray's Brewery, I bet. Tastes lovely.
Murray's Brewery is local to Pakistan, and so even though for the most part it's a dry country, a lot of hotels you can still have a beer if you're interested in that. And boom guys, fast forward, we're here. You guys probably recognize all of them from the previous videos here. We've got Fatima, we've got Hadia the birthday girl, and we've got Mr. Muhammad Saad, the absolute legend. And so basically guys, we're celebrating Hadia's birthday today. The hotel, the Ramada Hotel, was so nice. We've got Robert, who's somewhere back here. Shukriya, Robert, I can't see you there. He brought us out a cake for Hadia to celebrate her birthday, her special day, and it's super special because we're able to be here on the birthday and it's our last night. So excited to enjoy some cake with you guys. Enjoy. I'm gonna just jump right in. Try that. So we've got multiple layers of chocolate here. We have cake, then we have frosting, cake, frosting, cake, frosting, and then on top a little chocolate syrup. So let's try it out. Oh my god. That is G triple OD. Good. Good morning, guys. Just fast forward from having a nice final night out here. Gotta say bye to the bro, Harry. Later, brother.
It's been a long journey.
It's been a long journey, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, cheers, brother. Looking forward to the next adventures.
Yeah, for sure.
It's gonna be big. So, guys, make sure you check out his channel because he's heading down to a secret new destination. Actually, by the time you see this video, he'll have already been in Colombia.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my God.
yeah. So, if you guys have enjoyed this one, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more videos all around the world, and one last one tomorrow in Pakistan, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.